G'day! Aliya Friends Dog Treats Bakery, set 42677, just on the 280 pieces. There's the front, and there's the back. After coupons and rebates, this was only over $11. Let's crack it open. Three paper bags, two instruction books, and this sticker sheet. With our Dog Treats Bakery all set up, let's bring in the customers. First up is Sage, little doggy Aira, Frenchie, and walking in with a cart, Aliya, Chip, and Waffles. On the menu we've got round biscuits, bone biscuits, and little drinky sip cups. 3, 5, and 4 units of currency. So let's leave that menu in the street. There's a big beacon sign up the top. Doesn't glow, it's just a static billboard. And a Dog Treats Bakery sticker in the window. No cuts allowed. A big clear door for the people to walk through. Get Sage standing at the door. And a little doggy door that maybe Aira can fit just barely through. If not for that tripping hazard at the bottom of the door frame. The hat barely fits. And to the casual dining section, we've got some vines growing down the middle of an orange fire hydrant, ready for that yellow sun shower, ready for the number ones. And we have seating for 2 customers. Precariously for 1 mini doll on this. Let's have Waffles climb up the little stoop. That grey terrier, I believe, is for making sure the paws are clean before stepping up onto the furniture. Our customers are being served with the little sippy drinks, and we're kept out of the sun with these shades. Then we'll turn over to the side. We've got a big orange sun to say that, oh, we are open for business. This window, that does not open, but you can see right into the bakery. Order up, we've got some tickets and receipts, so we know who ordered what. Coffee making machine here. I believe a little stove with a little temperature and hot plate. We've got a purple oven. Open it up. Looks like we're baking some donut and dog treats. Goes back in. And then the other side, this looks like a fridge with milk and a soft drink. Get those back in there. Keep them. Get them back in the fridge. Make sure they stay chilled. Behind the coffee making machine, we see some bags of beans and cups and a coffee pot and a picture frame. I think that's Frenchie. On display, we've got donuts, biscuits, pastries, as well as this bright pink bone on the bottom shelf. And we'll see our FPOS is ready for tap to pay. You'll note the little step stool here that allow Frenchie to climb on the counter and tend to some customers. No health inspectors here. Over on the other side, we have another clear window that looks right into the business. Make sure we know what's going on in there. Just like the awnings, the roofs are slightly adjustable. Back again to the sun sign on the side of the building. Once you're done for the day, you're gonna switch it closed, because it's nighttime and everyone's gone home. And let's close the shutters for the night. Aliya, you can see, has barefoot sandals with a white midi skirt, and it looks like a bit of a sleeveless tennis top with red down the middle, as well as the back, the hair sitting to the left. Sage has light blue bell-bottom jeans over orange shoes, wearing an orange top with a big leaf design tied off at the belly. Design goes all the way to the back. And Sage has either real pockets or big fake pockets with a blonde weave that's glued onto the hat. The little pups you get will include Aira, a light brown, maybe tabby looking doggy with a backwards hat, or you can turn it around to the side. Chip comes with a pink hat with a bit of a tan fur with a diamond marking right in the forehead. Frenchie has a bit of a puggish look with all black fur with a greyish face and a green cap with some folds on the neck and a little bit of a curly tail. And then we have Waffles, a corgi with brown and white fur, a bushy tail and stumpy legs. Waffles is not a fan of wearing hats. There's no head hold to grab any headgear. See you next time on Spaniel.